This is what it feels like. The active noise canceling is on. I'm listening to some beats. The sound quality is way better, tons better than the first generation and 1.5 generation Apple AirPods. There's so much more depth to the music. There's bass now. Wow. And the active noise canceling isn't the best in the industry. Like, they don't compare it to my BOSE. But wow, I don't hear anything other than music right now. And they're super comfortable. And if I just give it a little squeeze, there's like a little sound to let you know that the noise canceling is on or off. And you can do it on both sides. So it looks like it's a little wider, a little shorter, but a little wider now. It's the wireless charging. And now they have a USB-C to Lightning charging cable. That's if you want to use a wire to charge it at all. I mean, everyone should have a charging pad these days. So it's progress. And you can see it comes with more tips to make sure you get the perfect fit. All right, just a quick unboxing. Thanks for watching.